If every time you eat you cough up clear phlegm, that could be a sign of what we call silent acid reflux. Now, absolutely get this checked by your doctor, but one of the two causes we know that can cause those silent reflux symptoms are H. pylori hiding in the mouth and the teeth and the tongue and the esophagus, or an overgrowth of yeast in exactly the same places. Now, if you use one of my clients, I like to rule out H. pylori immediately because it is a known cause of stomach cancer and it doesn't always show up positive in testing. I would take the Perch capsules, open them into water, swish around your mouth, gargle and swallow. If you start to feel better, you know you had oral H. pylori hiding in there somewhere. If that doesn't work, I move on to yeast purge with exactly the same thing. Best of luck.